Welcome to our BDIT domain channel. To know more about digital marketing strategy, do not skip and watch the full video.
And now you can see this is your dashboard, and on this dashboard you will see all those services whatever you have cancelled or completed, in progress, pending. If your any of your services is in pending, then it will show in this pending section. If it is in progress, then it will show you in progress section. On this completed section you will get this completed things, and you can see that this is one of my project YouTube channel link, and I did order for this for 80 subscribers, and they charged for $2.952 for this channel. So this has been completed, so they are updating it over there. Okay, so on this completed section you will get your completed updating every thing. And you can see that this is our partial section, this is our cancel section. That's mean if you cancel any of your order or any of your services, then this will show on this page, and that is cancel section. And on this all section, this is very common thing, that is this is your dashboard, and this dashboard on this all section you will get all those updates that is pending, in progress, completed, partial, cancel, everything they will show on this page. Okay, so before that I want to say again that you can't buy any of the orders or services without balance. So for that you need to add your fund over there, and after adding your balance, adding your dollar over there, it will work. That's mean you can buy any of the orders for your channel, for Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, TikTok, any of order you can buy. And this is our services section, as you can go with these services, and for refill things you can go there and you can add a ticket and you can do that refill things also. I will show everything. uh, as I said that on our YouTube BDIT domain channel you will get all those videos, tips, tricks for you, for digital marketing and Canva tutoring, automation testing, and you will get all those videos free, full free. So do not skip our any of videos, and do not forget to subscribe our channel and share to others. Just jump to our channel and you'll get all those videos done. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel to see upcoming videos, and to get notification, click the bell icon.